Main divisions of Royal Malaysia Custom is enforcement and compliance divisions. For the enforcement, smuggling activity will result to loss of revenue and threat to national security. The duty of enforcement and compliance division is combating smuggling activity in effective way. Enforcement is make sure to all rules and regulations administered by Customs Department are fully complete in a commercial activity. They also responsible to conduct investigation on suspicious activity as reported by public or informer. For the compliance management, to ensure all custom tax and duty are collected accurately from all parties involved into commercial transactions. Compliance management is to provide assistance to all commercial body on customs and custom regulator matter and procedure. Customs need to make sure that every license under customs department understand and complete with customs rules and regulations. They also responsible on providing and guide to company regarding custom method if necessary. Second, the main of divisions of Malaysia Royal Custom is Custom Operations and GST divisions. For the custom operations, they are for established procedure to industry, import, export, and the border control, which is line with the stipulation policy of department and the government. It's to implement policy related to industry import-export and border control established by the department and the government. They also to study and review policy or procedure concern of his enhancements and simplifications to ensure predictability in implementations. They also to provide cooperations and facilitation to other government agencies. For goods and service tax or we are calling GST is to structure and drafting internal tax policy for the country. The draft of policy then proposed to Minister of Finance for considerations. The develop effective strategy in increase internal tax collections and also resolve any problem or issue by manufacturing and service provider relate to taxations. Responsible for any queries and issues raised by industry and service provider encourages the growth of industry. The divisions is dealing with industry relate to implementations of trade facilities, tax implementations, and tax refunds. The divisions of Malaysia Royal Custom is administrative. For the administrative is for the conduct human resource management matter, its requirement, training and payroll. For the accounting of custom department is for budgets, expenses and revenue collections. For the logistic management of department is to vehicle management. For the information management on infrastructure and network applications and software corporate planning is for international networking and public relations. Education by ACMA or Royal Malaysia Custom Academy is to provide training to staff and course exam for new forwarding and shipping agents. Why international trade importance to country is because for the growth and state market. For the competitions, each nations has strengths in terms of research like labor, material or knowledge, and they all can compete together in the world market for other nations' business. Once a nation reaches of peers, efficiency and effectiveness, they develop a competitive advantage to other nations and will specializations in product or service until they are the best. That is when everyone wins. For the economy scale, nations are participate in international trade, are able to develop and straight economy of scale their product and service. When a nation has entire globe to trade with rather than just its people alone, the marketplace at the subsequent demand is large. More consumer will want a product, service, and nation can lower price. The more product and service nation can provide, the cheaper those product and service can be. That is because the cost can be spread over more product and drive down the price per unit. Three important functions of custom is for collecting revenue for the country. Custom is responsible in planning, creating, and implement the best method for the effective and smart revenue collections. It also helping government in formulating policy related to direct tax. It's conducting research and analysis on values of good. How custom collect revenue for country is from import duty, export duty, excise duty, and vehicle levy, and also sale and service tax. Second important is trade facilitations for industry growth. Participate actively in the activity of international body WTO. Encourage the growth of industry and trade by provide custom facilities. It also to ensure smooth process for import and export activity. It provides consultations and advice to investors to trade related to custom procedure. How trade verification for industry grow? Is from license manufacturing warehouse, direct release system, pre clearance, is express handling unit, treasure as acceptations and other. Third is important function of custom is for the custom compliance enforcement. Ensures all custom tax and duty are collect incorrectly. Is provide assistance to all commissions by bodies on custom regulatory matters and procedure. Is conducting system audits and company is also auditing GST implement by company.